Friends, now we will discuss characters of the story, and the name of the story is The Thief's Story. There are mainly two characters. First one is Anil and second one is Hari Singh. Here Hari Singh is a thief. So now one by one we will discuss both the characters. First one is Anil. So now Anil is an easygoing person. We find many good qualities in his character. So simply say that Anil Singh is a very simple man, kind hearted man, and there are so many qualities in Anil. He is a very honest and simple man. Anil was also a very honest person. He is a writer by profession. He writes for a magazine. So now the main profession of Anil is to write articles for the magazine, or simply say that Anil was also an educated person. So he earns his livelihood through writing. So this is the source of income to write an article for the magazines, and due to this or write any book, and when he sold the book, and after some time he earns money, and in this way he survive his life. He is so humble and helping nature man that he gives Hari Singh shelter shelter in his own house. So the nature of Anil was also just like a helping person. That's why he allowed Hari Singh to live in his house. He keeps faith in Hari Singh, although he does not have any clear information about him. So in the starting, Anil don't know that what is the clear information of Hari Singh, and also he allowed Hari Singh to live in his house. Although he knew that Hari Singh had started saving money from day supplies, yet he did not say anything. Now Anil also knew everything about Hari Singh, that Hari Singh saved 1 rupees or 2 rupees every day with the help of daily supplies. Whenever Hari Singh bought different types of things, he saved money 1 or 2 rupees every day. Now he prepared tea himself and served it to Hari Singh. He was very helpful and he was not greedy. So Anil was also a very kind person, and he always ready to help different types of person. Sometimes he offered tea to Hari Singh, and we know that Anil is the owner of the house, and here Hari Singh is a cook who make food for the Anil. Now when he got some money, he spent it on his friends. So in this way you will say that Anil was also not a greedy person, because whenever he earned the money, he spent the money on his friends. He started to teach Hari Singh to write sentences and to add numbers. So simply say that Anil also become a teacher for the Hari Singh, and Anil taught Hari Singh how to write, how to add the number, how to write sentences, and everything. He knew if Hari Singh would get knowledge of writing, he could lead respectable life. Thus, we find many good qualities in Anil's character. So, in this way, you say that there are many qualities, good qualities in Anil. Now, second character is Hari Singh. So, here Hari Singh also a thief of the story. The narrator of the story was a thief. Also, Hari Singh was a writer of this lesson. He was a little boy of 15 years. The age of the Hari Singh is only 15 years. And he had worked for different employers. He used to change his place after cheating his honor. So, Hari Singh had worked for different employers. Why? Because Hari Singh changed his name and place every month after cheating the honor, because the main profession of Hari Singh is theft. Now he used to change his place after cheating his honor. Now he made Anil his friend because he needed a place to live. After cheating the honor, now Hari Singh was moving on the road and he had no house to live. That's why he make a friend to Anil, and in this way he have got a place for living. Now a place to live in. He worked for Anil and he bought things from the market and also saved a rupee a day from this. So now after some time Hari Singh started work for Anil and purchased everything for Anil and also saved a rupees every day. Now, but Anil's company brought a change in his mind. But with the help of the Anil, whatever the behavior of Hari Singh changed day by day, because now Hari Singh was living with Anil and Anil is a good person. Anil started to teach him because he wanted to change his reputation in society. So Anil also started to teach Hari Singh how to write, how to add, how to write your names, how to write sentence, everything. And due to this, the value, the status of Hari Singh changed in the society, because now after this he become educated. But one day he stole Anil's money and went out of the room. He wanted to go to Lucknow, but he did not go. He didn't go. Now, one day, Anil sold the book to the publisher, and now in this way, Anil earned 600 rupees. And now, Anil kept the money below the mattress, and whatever the activities done by the Anil noticed by the Hari Singh, and that's why one day Hari Singh stolen the money and ran away from the house to pick up the train for the Lucknow. But his inner voice not allow to cheat Anil. Why? Because Anil also taught him how to write it everything and also trust on Hari Singh to allow to live in his house. So Hari Singh did not break the faith of Anil. That's why he did not catch the train. His conscience stopped him from doing so. His thoughts had completely changed. Now he wanted to lead a respectable life, and he went back to Anil's room and put the money back. Thus, Hari Singh changed himself. So now, whatever the activities done by the Anil for Hari Singh remembered everything, and that's why the behavior of the Hari Singh changed, and he decided that I will put the money back to the Anil's house. And now, in this way, the behavior of the Hari Singh changed, and also he became respectable person in the society. So, if you will join good company, then whatever the activity done by you, that is also good. So, you should try to join the good company of good person. Thank you.